the 2011 Pastry Chef Showcase. We have students from SAIT who are in the pastry department. We have an instructor here. Let's tell people now, even though the event is sold out, in the past it hasn't been, why is this a cause so important to support?
Well, bringing the communities together from the industry, the public, and large as an organization who supports the disabled. And of course, SAIT is always a big supporter, and the students to really put our industry on a map and make people aware of our art and our craft.
Now, Andreas, these students are preparing some of these dishes. Who are they going to be preparing them against? It's not necessarily a competition, but the showcase has these students against some real professionals from where?
All over Calgary. We have some people coming from Kenmore, from Jasper. So basically we have the Fairmont, we have a Rush restaurant, Theatro restaurant, the Delta Bow Valley, the Sheraton, the Hyatt Hotel. So they really have a big competition. They have when it comes to the dessert, so the students can really see how they measure up to the rest of the industry.
And of course, all the funds from this event are going towards helping Large Calgary and a scholarship for these students. Right now, we have Sydney, Stephanie, and Anna. What are you guys making this morning? What are you guys putting together? Oh, you're done?
I'm waiting for you.
Oh, okay. That was so quick. Okay, now my glove was so tiny and ripped off. Explain to me, first of all, how did you guys all get into this? Because when you go to culinary school, it seems to be so specific that you're in baking and pastry arts. How did you all decide this is my passion?
I've always wanted to be in culinary and be involved in culinary. Just over the years, it's kind of broken down to wanting to be a pastry chef and working with cakes and sorbets and stuff like this, and stuff.
And Stephanie, for you?
I always worked in the baking industry and just kind of figured that would be the best thing to go into. I love it. You really have to have a passion for it. So, yeah.
And Anna, yourself, this goes way back.
Yeah, when I was really young, I took a course with my family, actually bread making, and I just loved it. And it wasn't my first choice as a career, but I just decided to go right into it, and I've been very successful.
And now when you think about plating, you all have the same elements here. You all came out with a different result. How do you decide how you're going to present it, and what are the skills you need to have to be able to be effective with this?
I think just working clean, like making sure the plate's clean. It takes a steady hand, that's for sure.
Yes? Okay, so now what, can I actually, you know what I want to do? I want to do a composition of everything you guys have done. So have you taken this, what is it, potato chip? What is this thing?
It's a cookie.
It's called a hippin' cookie.
A hippin' cookie.
Yeah.
Okay, so you put that on the top, and then you take a little scoop of this. What's this right here that we have?
It's
Butter?
creme brulee.
Creme brulee, okay.
Yeah.
So I just drop that on there?
Yep, just got to scoop it on. It's a little liquidy right now.
It's very delicate.
Yeah.
And then I put a little, what's this right here?
It's a berry compote.
A berry compote. And what's the technique for this? Do you, I see you put it on the side, you put it underneath.
Yeah.
What if I just
You
drop
can
it
do
right
it
there?
however you like. Yeah, it's all experience.
That was bad, right? Okay, and then we got some flowers and some, would you guys like somebody's garden right here? Do you think I can make it? How do you think I do this weekend?
It's okay.
I think it lacks a little bit of flow.
A little bit of flow?
A little
Okay,
finesse.
this is the overload right there. Of course, the event is this weekend. It is sold out, but if you go to our website, breakfasttelevision.ca, you can see how you can support Large Calgary and the SAIT students in the future. Oh, we have these beautiful things right here. Okay, and I guess we'll stick
These are
these into
very
here. There you go,
delicate.
one for you.
Oh, thank you.
And there we go. We're going to take a break right now. When we come back, you know what? Maybe we'll serve these up to the people who we're going to help celebrate their birthdays, and we'll have a look at traffic. All that and more. Stay. I broke it. I broke it. It's okay. I'll eat it after. There, stay. Beautiful. There's beauty. Perfection. I'm going to win the contest this weekend. 7:19, you're watching Breakfast Television right here on CityTV.
Yeah!